water the root, not the leaf. Many times we started are trying to fix the symptoms, okay, or trying to treat the leaf in a tree. So if we started doing that, it will not fix the problem. We know that, right? So we have to water the root, not the leaf. So same in life. Many wants to take care of the heart, where the heart is. So many people say it's on the left side. But yes, it's a left side. There is a small portion it has been occupying, but it is in the center. It is the heart is in the middle, okay? And there is a left side, the heart lobes are extended. But we know what heart is a pumping station. Definitely, that is the first organ when the fetus forms. The first organs before the brain or before the lungs or any other system, the heart is the first organ it develops. To take care of the heart, you know what is the first thing we need to take care? Because heart is a pumping station that is not actually purifying or cleansing the blood, correct? Either the liver or kidney and the lungs. So which one we need to give an importance? But definitely, yes, the kidney, the liver also plays a major role where we have a limited control. But where we have a major control, which we can do it on every moment. By this time, you might guess it. Yes, you have to take care of the lungs. To take care of the heart, we need to take care of the lungs, because the brain to the heart, the signaling it happens, but the heart to the brain happens 9 times more. So when you are in a panic situation or it is a insecure, okay, the fight or flight mode people talk about it, the heart also feels earlier because it also has a lots of sensory neurons and tissues there which communicates to the brain, which creates another, it's a sympathetic mode or very active fight flight mode. Then its adrenal started secreting the cortisol, or the gland started working in different way. So who can control this? How do we control the fast beat of the heart? Who has the master key? Nothing but the lungs or the breath. So the breathing is very important. Even 24 by 7 I breathe, right? But what is happening is we have been breathing like a reptile brain. So we call, yes, reptile brain because it's happening in a autonomous nervous system through the brain stem. So the breathing or heartbeats are all happening automatically. So we are not giving much importance about it. But the moment we close the eyes and take a deep breath, that switch from the reptile brain to the cognitive brain. And the lungs has a 5 lobes, okay, the right side. So right side has a 3 lobes and the left side has a 2 lobes, okay. In the 5 lobes, you know how many small tiny air balloons, small air balloons, they call it as a alveoli. You may guess it may be thousands or lakhs or million. Yeah, it's beyond that. 250 million to 700 million for an adult. All the 5 lobes has 250 million to 700 millions. It is 25 crore to 70 crores of small tiny air balloons type of thing, alveoli sacs in the lungs. So to take care of the heart, the oxygenation, the carbon dioxide, it has to be come out and the oxygen has to go to every cell. The deep breathing is very important. That is the one which actually passing the clean blood to the heart, and that pumps to the throughout the body. For that, the breathing is very important, and the lower lobes. So mostly what happens is the It is the shallow breathing happens at the upper lobes. It is not even goes to the middle and the lower. Many people not even know the lower lobes are not working. And that's how people say it's a diaphragm breathing is very important, because it is not just only the breathing is not just only the lungs. It controls every energy points, and also from the vagus nerve, from the brain till your pelvic floor. The breathing has so much benefits and connected dots within the body system. That's how the ancient literature talks about it as, if you know how to breathe, how to manage and handle the breath, your life expectancy is high. So to live happily, the breathing is very, 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 very important. So I'll put on another video about the breathing techniques and simple way to improve it. See you on the next video.